we're proud of that stuff around here. I've been shooting since I was probably about 4 years old, quite literally. And I would carry, even when it wasn't, legal necessarily, I would sneak my grandfather's .41 caliber revolver just to go.
Anything, you be doing anything. Perk 10 on my ass, I feel the belly.
Maybe it's because he got hit so hard that he's thinking this.
That's what I'm thinking.
Nah, he's
maybe this guy knocked some sense into him, is what I'm saying.
He's like, you know what, dude? He goes, the sky.
TVI. He's still rolling.
TVI still rolling.
He lit me.
10-4.
21-4, sitting in my car is disabled.
10-9.
Just able, he is continuing over to Memphis. Second TVI, unsuccessful.
Tell him so down, wow. Promise I'm gonna figure this out, wow, wow. I know you wish I knew right now, wow, wow. New to this shit, stick around, wow, wow, wow.
What are you doing? Gonna run the red? You idiot!
Nossa, bateu. Are you okay?
Did the cattle crash you?
Yes.
The cattle crashed on you, your cattle? The other
You okay? Okay. What happened?
It's slippery out.
Slippery?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was right behind you. All of a sudden I saw your back tires go out from you.
I need air in them.
Where you coming from?
Oh, I can't. My friend's house.
Where was the friend's house at?
In Canton.
We're at in Canton.
On Fulton Avenue.
Fulton's that way.
Yes.
Alright. So where were you coming from?
Canton.
But Fulton's that way and you're heading towards Fulton. How much you had to drink tonight? Alright. Well, I can smell alcohol come from the vehicle. Okay. I'm going to make sure you're okay to drive. Okay.
I'm drunk driving, I promise.
You're what?
I'm drunk driving.
You're drunk driving?
I would admit it, yes.
Alright. You've had too much to drink tonight. I see clues of impairment. You've already admitted that.